Hey guys, I'm back with the next Floetrol cell activator experiment. In this series, I'm testing multiple additives in Floetrol to see what kind of cell action they create in acrylic pores. In today's video, I'm using 2 drops of a mineral oil cutting board conditioner in the paint mixture. Just to recap, I'm using the same pouring medium, colors, and method in all of these experiments. My pouring medium is a mixture of 90% Floetrol to 10% GAC 800. If you don't have GAC, it isn't necessary. I like adding it for the extra protection from cracking as the paint dries. For my colors, I'm using Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Yellow Light Hue, Pyrrole Red, and Ultramarine Blue. I also have Amsterdam Titanium White for a base color. I mixed large batches of these colors and split off into smaller cups to add the cell activators. I add a thin layer of the white base to the canvas to help the colors move around better. This will help keep the paint from catching on the dry canvas and causing the cells to run over each other. The method that I'm using is called a flip cup. It's a good method for cell production. It causes quite a lot of shift in the paints, so they have more of a chance to push and pull at each other, creating cells. The mineral oil produced a lot of tiny cells within the paint. The color stayed a bit brighter compared to the linseed oil that we tested in the last video. The strangest part of this additive was the odd circular spot that it produced. It has a stain-like appearance and cells within that. It's strange. I'll have to test it out a little bit more to see if it was just a weird fluke or if it's a reaction with the oil and paint. Check out the close-ups at the end of the pour and let me know what you think happened. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you with the rest of the experiment. We're testing WD-40 in the next video, so don't forget to check that out. If you've missed the other cell activators that we've tested, I'll leave a link to the playlist in the description. If you have any questions or if you just want to say hi, feel free to leave me a comment below. I really enjoy hearing from you guys. See you next time. Bye!